Want to know the secret to making over an easy $250 an hour? Well, if you do, you're watching the perfect video. Just make sure to stay tuned right until the end of this video because I'll be walking you through a step-by-step breakdown on how to earn this ridiculous simple cash using revolutionary AI. Also, you don't have to worry if you're not a professional because even a complete beginner can do this method. You don't need to invest any money. You don't need any fancy equipment, skills, or experience. Literally, all you need is a Wi-Fi connection and your device, and that's it. So you have no excuse to not try this out. Now, what does this magical method actually consist of? You may be wondering. Well, I'm about to take you through how to create amazing MeWe and Facebook posts promoting your affiliate offers in no time using the one and only ChatGPT. Say goodbye to boring landing pages that didn't convert because AI is here to spice things up and make your followers click like crazy, making your bank balance grow larger and larger. But wait, there's more! We'll even show you how to share your killer content on both MeWe and Facebook, and take a super effective shortcut to boost your engagement with the help of the one and only panel stars. Now, let me not waste any more time and let's get right into it. Step 1. Using ChatGPT. Are you tired of staring at a blank page, trying to come up with the perfect words for your social media post? Do you wish you had a magical writing assistant that could generate killer content in just minutes? Well, you're in luck, because the first step in this social media marketing journey involves none other than ChatGPT, the AI language model that is about to change the game. So, what exactly is ChatGPT, you ask? In simple terms, ChatGPT is an AI language model that uses machine learning to generate human-like text. It's like having a super smart writing buddy that can help you come up with creative ideas and engaging copy. But don't be fooled. ChatGPT is not your average chatbot. It's trained on a massive dataset of text and can generate text in a wide range of styles and formats, making it a versatile tool for any content creator. To get started with ChatGPT, the first step is to open up the platform and enter a prompt. For this example, let's use the prompt, 5 tips to lose weight fast. With just a few clicks, ChatGPT will generate a list of topics that you can use. And the best part, it's lightning fast, so you can generate multiple options and choose the one that fits your brand's tone and voice. You can even prompt ChatGPT to write in different tones. For example, you could tell ChatGPT to write formally, informally, excitedly, and so on. I would just recommend that you play around with the prompts to find your most useful way of using this AI. So say goodbye to writer's block and hello to ChatGPT, your new favorite writing assistant that will help you take your game to the next level. Step 2. Sign up for panelstars.com. Do you feel like your content is getting lost in the sea of other posts out there, and you're struggling to stand out from the competition? Well, fear not, my friend, because panelstars.com is here to save the day. Panelstars.com is a website that offers an instant social media engagement boost. And let's be real, who doesn't need a little boost every now and then? As we all know, engagement is a key factor in ranking on social media platforms. The more likes, comments, shares, and followers you have, the more visible your content will be. And that's exactly what panelstars.com can help you achieve. By signing up for panelstars.com, you'll have access to a platform that connects you with real people who will engage with your social media posts. This means you can buy likes, comments, shares, and followers to boost your social media presence and increase your visibility. Think of it as a shortcut to success, without compromising on quality or authenticity. But wait, you might be wondering, how exactly does panelstars.com work? Well, it's actually pretty simple. You just choose the social media platform you want to boost, select the type of engagement you're looking for, and voila! Panelstars.com will connect you with real people who will engage with your content and help you stand out from the crowd. Step 3. Sign up for ClickBank or Digistore. For the next step of this journey, let's break down how to sign up for an affiliate marketplace such as ClickBank or Digistore, and how it can help you earn big bucks in the world of online marketing. First things first, let's talk about what affiliate marketing actually is. Essentially, it's a type of performance-based marketing where you can earn a commission for promoting someone else's product. This means you don't have to create your own product, which can save you time and money. Instead, you promote someone else's product on your website, blog, social media, or any other platform. When someone clicks on your affiliate link and makes a purchase, you earn a commission. It's that simple. Now, back to ClickBank and Digistore, two of the most popular affiliate marketplaces out there. These platforms offer a wide range of weight loss offers that you can promote. Signing up is a breeze, and once you're in, you'll have access to tons of offers that are just waiting to be promoted. So, how do you choose which weight loss offer to promote? Well, that's entirely up to you. Take some time and research the different offers available and choose the one that aligns best with your brand and target audience. Once you've found the perfect offer, grab your affiliate link and start promoting it like crazy. Step 4. Generate a landing page with Mixo.io. The next step is optional but highly recommended if you want to maximize your success. We'll be discussing how to generate a landing page with Mixo.io, a powerful platform that can help you bridge the gap between your marketing materials and the affiliate offer. First, let's talk about what a landing page is. Essentially, it's a web page that is specifically designed to convert visitors into leads or customers. It's different from a regular website page because it has a clear call to action (CTA), such as a sign-up form or a buy button. By creating a landing page, you can increase your chances of converting visitors into customers. Now, on to Mixo.io, a platform that allows you to create stunning landing pages in just a few minutes. This means you don't have to spend hours designing and coding your own landing page from scratch. With Mixo.io, you can choose from a wide range of templates and customize them to fit your brand and message. But why should you use Mixo.io to create a landing page for your weight loss affiliate marketing campaign? Well, it's simple. Some weight loss and fitness groups on MeWe and Facebook don't allow direct affiliate link publishing. This is where a landing page comes in handy, serving as a bridge between your marketing materials and the affiliate offer. By creating a landing page with Mixo.io, you can ensure that your marketing materials are presented in a professional and compelling way. This increases the likelihood that visitors will click on your CTA and ultimately convert into customers. Plus, Mixo.io makes it easy to track your landing page performance and makes improvements over time. Step 5. Join weight loss and fitness groups on MeWe.com. Let's dive into Step 5, where we will explore how to promote your weight loss offer by joining weight loss and fitness groups on MeWe.com. As we know, MeWe.com is a social media platform that stands out from others due to its focus on user privacy and data ownership. By joining different weight loss and fitness groups on MeWe.com, you will be able to tap into a targeted audience and reach out to like-minded individuals. Now, you might be wondering, how exactly can joining groups on MeWe.com help in promoting your weight loss offer? Well, the answer is simple. By joining these groups, you get access to a community of people who are interested in fitness and weight loss. This provides you with a platform to share your offer and engage with potential customers who are more likely to be interested in what you have to offer. Not only does joining these groups provide access to a targeted audience, but it also allows you to establish yourself as an authority figure in the weight loss and fitness niche. By sharing valuable content and engaging with members, you can gain the trust and credibility needed to encourage potential customers to take action and purchase your weight loss offer. Furthermore, being an active member of these groups can lead to organic growth and further exposure to your offer. Members who find your content valuable are more likely to share it with their network, which can increase your reach and potential sales. Step 6. Share a weight loss related GIF with captions generated by ChatGPT. In order to capture the attention of potential customers, it's important to create eye-catching content. This is where the power of GIFs comes in. A GIF is a short video that loops continuously and can convey emotions and reactions in a fun and engaging way. By sharing a weight loss related GIF with captions generated by ChatGPT, which we learned about in Step 1, you can create a visually appealing message that resonates with your target audience. The captions generated by ChatGPT are human-like and can provide unique and creative ways to describe your weight loss offer. It's important to note that simply sharing a GIF won't be enough to convert viewers into customers. That's why it's crucial to add a call to action for your ClickBank Digistore offer in the caption or within the GIF itself. By doing so, you can encourage viewers to click through to your landing page or affiliate offer and increase your chances of making a sale. Step 7. Promote your offer in Facebook groups. In addition to joining weight loss and fitness groups on MeWe.com, another effective strategy to promote your weight loss offer is to promote it in Facebook groups. By doing so, you can target a larger audience and generate more sales. It's important to note that standing out from the competition on Facebook can be really tough. One way to overcome this obstacle is to make sure that your posts receive engagement. Engagement, such as likes, comments, and shares, is a crucial factor in determining the success of your Facebook post. Without engagement, your post will likely get buried among other posts and may not be seen by your target audience. This is where panelstars.com comes in handy. If the Facebook groups you're targeting are public, you can buy engagement, likes, comments, shares on panelstars.com. By doing this, you can boost the visibility of your post, making it more likely to be seen by potential customers. And this all leads to you getting more traffic to your post and links, and ultimately increasing your chances of making sales. Well, everyone, there you have it. The simplest way to make good money with AI. What do you think of this method? And have you tried it yet? Let us know in the comment section down below. With ChatGPT by your side, you'll be raking in the cash faster than you can say cha-ching. So, if you found this video helpful, be sure to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and leave a comment down below to let us know what you think. And who knows, maybe one day you'll be the one making $250 an hour thanks to ChatGPT's expert guidance. See you next time.